Hello there, and welcome to the Rideshare Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Grubhub video about how to make money while you're not doing rideshare or food deliveries. Um, with this coronavirus pandemic, rideshare and ride sharing and food deliveries, even though a lot of people are doing it, a lot of people are choosing to stop it for a while so that they can keep their self and their family safe. So I have decided to make a video here that'll help make you some money. Though I'm going to let you know there is nothing that's going to help you make money right now. The only thing that I can think of that could make you money right now is you like um finding a client that you can work from home on your computer um and do tasks for them, and then you can make money right now. Okay. Other than that, these techniques could be used to make money for the long haul. Okay. So, and just so you know, this video is about people who have a computer and they can sit at their desk and they can actually do stuff. If you have a laptop, you can do it anywhere within the house. But if you have a desktop, then you sit at your desk. Okay. So, affiliate marketing is one idea. What it is you can take other people's products, like um, digital products or tangible products. Digital is you can go to JVZoo, or you can go to Warrior Plus, or even ClickBank, and you could sell other people's products. Tangible is Amazon Associates, CG Affiliates, or something like that. I forgot the name of it, but Amazon Associates, everybody knows about Amazon.com, but you can become an associate. You can create a blog about a specific niche that's on Amazon, which is like, let's say, dog clothing and or dog accessories, and you can make money. But I'll tell you this: for that, your commissions are going to be low. Your commissions will be low, and you get paid within like 60 days because there's the refund period and all that. So that's one thing. And then you got affiliate marketing digital wise, which once you build a reputation that you're a good marketer and you are doing what you are doing, you can get paid instantly through either Warrior Plus, JVZoo, um, ClickBank. Though, unfortunately, you get paid every 2 weeks. There is a weekly option, but you have to earn that. Next option is virtual assistants. Virtual assistant. Now this here, you could make money by doing tasks on your computer from home, and you could, data entry, writing articles. You can go on Fiverr.com or Upwork, and you can do tasks on there to make money. Now the good thing about it, I'm not sure what the payout options are for Upwork, but I know for Fiverr, once you build up your levels, no matter if you're building up your levels or not, it's a 14-day waiting period for your funds to come in, but you can withdraw to PayPal, or you can withdraw to their Fiverr's own debit card, as far as I know. And I think there's a new option, but I'm not sure on that. But my point here is within 14 days, you can be collecting money. Product creation. This is it gets where you could actually make money. As soon as you're done creating the product, you recruit affiliates, and You can create a product, recruit affiliates, and then sell your product. Now you can, depends on the niche you want to go into. You can actually create a product on, let's say, weight loss if you're familiar with it. My suggestion would be, what is your hobbies? What is it you like to do? Okay, and you create a product around that. Like, if you're good at doing PowerPoint slides, create a course about that. You know, a product about that, and then put it up on the marketplace and sell it. Now you could charge um, the amount of money you want to charge, like $20 or um, $200. It depends on how what quality of your product is. If you're throwing together a piece of crap, $10. There are a lot of people out there who, if you go into my YouTube list, you'll see I have a video on there who's creating a crappy product about coronavirus. How could he have no? How could these people have knowledge about the coronavirus? Even the scientists don't know about it. So how can they create a product about it? But they could have done is created a survival product like training, and then sold that, and that would help out people. But creating a direct product about the coronavirus, now that's not good. Now, for you, you choose the product you want to create. Now, this is something I do suggest you do because it's not hard. You can create a product within a few days if you plan correctly. Now, I do have a link in the description of this video on YouTube. There's going to be a link to my blog post that outlines this what I'm talking about now. But I also have, in the on that blog post there'll be a link to uh, like a review of a product creation course called 10-Day Product Creation Bootcamp. I highly suggest you watch that and then see what you go from there. Now, in the video, on that video, I actually do admit it's not cheap. It is $297 for that product, but the person who teaches it knows his stuff. And in the video, I explain that. I don't want to go too much into detail about that. You can make your own choice and go click that link. The next is low and no content books. What that is like journals, recipe books, coloring books, wedding um, the book that you, when you go to a wedding, you can sign your name that you were there. Um, these are low content or no content books. There's hardly anything in them. And let me tell you that there'll be a resource on the blog about this as well. Like there's a YouTube channel I visit a lot. And you can, of course, it's going to take a while to build up this income but this is like, once you build it up, your no content books or low content books. Once you um, build up your books to like in the thousands, which doesn't take long to do, um, you'll have what's called residual income because people will keep on buying. Different people will be buying those books. There's and there is a training. The YouTube channel, the guy on there, his name is Patty, and he has a course called uh, forgot the name of the product, but he in his videos, each of his YouTube videos, he talks about it. Don't get the LCB bolt, because that's his a member. That's a I believe it's a membership, and I don't know if it is or not anymore, but he has another one, Print and Profits. That's what it's called, Print and Profit. Um, you want to get that book, not that book, but you want to get that training because he goes into great detail about how to create these low and no content books. Um, and that guy makes like 8 grand a month doing this. So that's one option, you know, that's another option. The next option is video marketing. What I'm doing right now is I'm making a video and I'm putting it on YouTube for others to see, and I'm promoting things. As you noticed, I promoted this product right here. This product here, I'm promoting, but I'm not gonna make no money because I'm not an affiliate of his. But this one here, I am an affiliate for, and I will get a commission. So, no disclaimer. If you buy any links from my website, if you click any of the links and you buy something from my website, you will get I get a commission off of that. That's a little disclaimer. But back to video marketing, I'm creating a video using a software called not Camtasia, Screencast-O-Matic. I pay $15 a year for this little software. But you can also do is use Camtasia Studio, which is more robust and much better software, but unfortunately it's 200 and something dollars for that software. So I use the cheaper version, Screencast-O-Matic, and I'm using right now in this video, I'm using PowerPoint. And then I put videos on YouTube. Right now I only have so many videos, but eventually I'll get me a following, and when I promote something, somebody will buy something, and then I will make some money. So that's one way of doing it. Now, there is a caveat to this one here. You just can't slap a video uh, up on YouTube and expect people to see it. In the coming days, I will have videos on. I'm okay with the SEO. I know a few tricks of the trade. There are better people. I'll put a resource in the blog post. His name is Adam Payne. I will, direct you to his YouTube channel, and you go look for his SEO, video SEO and video marketing videos. You just go to playlist. Matter of fact, what I'll do is when I put the link in the description, I'll put the link to his playlist directly. Okay, because he has, in my opinion, he's a really good marketer when it comes to, he's a very good video marketing guru, and he knows his stuff. And he really knows how to, do the SEO part of it, which the SEO part of it is basically so you get to be seen by other people. Like this video here, I'll be using certain tags and certain wording. So people who are in the ride share or food delivery uh, providers, if you probably watch. Sorry about the phone call. Um, when people are searching on YouTube about rideshare, or there's a lot of people out there who um, do videos on rideshare. You will see most likely my video. And another thing, I did a video on how to make a thumbnail in a free software called Canva. If you come to this video, you'll see my Um, if you did a search and then you came to this video and you seen my thumbnail, I made that in Canva. Um, and I also have a video on what's called vidIQ, which is another neat little tool for getting, doing a research for blog posts or video topics. But I'm going to make it another one about vidIQ soon, where it'll talk about tagging and stuff like that. But that's how to make money with not doing rideshare or food deliveries. If you would like to know more, click the link in the description. It'll be the first one in the description. It brings you to the blog post. Also in the description, of course, will be the 10-day product creation bootcamp, and you can get started with that. Remember that brings that actual link in the description brings you to my blog, which has the video about the product, so you can watch that video. And I go over what you get, which is very important. For $297, you get a lot for your money. So, no added incentive here. But I want to thank you for watching this video. Let's make some money on the internet while we have this threat of the coronavirus. How to make money while doing how to make money while not doing rideshare or food deliveries is a great way to make money while not being worried about the coronavirus. Have a great day.